Yeah, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit money to your Binance account. Alright, if I'm seeing my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel, I talk about make money online, cryptocurrency, and lots more. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit money from any exchange of your choice to your Binance account in 2024. Alright, so stay through to the end of this video. Let me show you how you can do that. Alright. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to see and learn from it. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you how you can, deposit money on your Binance account, alright, in 2024, alright. Now, before now, you can easily use the Binance P2P to, buy crypto, and it will automatically be deposited into your funding account, and you can easily now transfer it to your spot trading account to now use it to do other trading, all right. But now it's no longer possible because the Binance P2P is no longer available to Nigerians, all right. So because of that, the only way you can now deposit to your Binance, deposit USDT or deposit any form of money to your Binance account is actually to buy from another crypto exchange and now bring it to Binance. All right, so there is a lot of different exchanges that you can buy these USDTs from and deposit to your Binance. All right, we have Bybit, we have Bitget, we have a lot of other crypto exchanges. All right, I did a video guide on 5 crypto exchanges sites that still allows you to do P2P, buy and sell your USDT and also swap your USDT. All right, so that is it. I'm going to link it towards the end of this video so that you can watch it and also see other sites to compare their prices and know the one to actually go for. All right, so that is it. Now, to deposit on your Binance account, all you have to do is to click on deposit, all right? Now, like I said, if it's before, you can easily just click on P2P, but now it's no longer available for us, so you have to click on deposit, all right? So, click on deposit, all right? So, when you click on deposit, you search for the coin you want to deposit, all right? So, let's say you want to deposit USDT, all right? So, click on USDT. Now, what is advisable? All right, now, if you want to deposit any coin to Binance, I know you can easily deposit from your Trust Wallet, other crypto exchanges, but then if it's possible, you can easily convert that coin to USDT so that the trading fee will be lesser on your side. All right, so that is it. But if it's not USDT, all you just have to do is to look for the coin. You can use the search bar, right? You can see it. Use the search bar to search for any coin at all you want to deposit. And so I'm going to be using USDT for example in this particular video, right? So click on USDT, all right? So when you click on USDT, you're going to select the network, all right? So let's say that we are selecting the BNB network, all right? So when you select it, you click on copy, all right? So when you click on copy, you go and you go to the crypto exchange or wherever you want to deposit from, and you also have to select the network that you selected, right? When you copy the 20 network and you select Tron network, your coin has disappeared to the great beyond, right? You can no longer recover it, so you have to be extremely careful anytime you are copying a crypto network. And if you're not the one sending it, always make sure to let the person know the network that you copied so they don't make mistake. All right, so that is it. Like I said, the Binance P2P is no longer available for depositing money to Binance. The only way is to find an alternative, which I have also provided a video that gave you 5 different exchanges that you can just make a selection from. All right, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section. If there's anything else you want me to talk about on this channel, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.